The problem. Everyday use of mobile phones represents an important vehicle of contamination since potentially pathogenic agents capable of causing nosocomial infections can pass from mobile devices to hands and spread in the community. This is very relevant in present situation of COVID pandemic. Sanitizers contain nearly 75% alcohol in it, and alcohol is highly inflammable, due to which many cases of fire casualties have been reported. Recently, a man, native of Rewari, Haryana, caught fire while using a sanitizer for his mobile screen, and about 35% of his body got burnt. So, this is pretty rare and unexplored field of problems out of number of problems COVID-19 has put upon us.
Now let us address some facts and factoids about the smartphone industry. Now, there are 4.78 billion users of smartphone around the world, which is 62% of the world's population. According to an estimate, in 2022, there will be 442 million users of smartphone in India. As this problem will affect a huge market, it should be dealt with promptness. Now, let us start our journey to the solution. As we cannot use alcohol as it is inflammable and water as it will damage our electronic devices, so what disinfectant should we use? Let us discuss them one by one. First, iodophores. Iodophores are really good disinfectant, but they stain, hence they cannot make the cut. Now, there are hypochlorites. Hypochlorites are allergic to the skin, hence they cannot make the cut. Now, phenols. Phenols produces severe degree of burns when in contact with the skin, hence we cannot use them. Now, there is peracetic acid. Peracetic acid is really good on the skin as well as on the environment, but it dissociates into water, oxygen and acetic acid, and we all know acetic acid is pungent. Now, there is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt are really good disinfective agent, and they are really inexpensive, but there are some incidents of allergies, hence we cannot use them. So there is only one disinfectant which ticks all the boxes, which is chlorhexidine. Now let's see why.
So why chlorhexidine above others? Chlorhexidine shows bactericidal, virucidal, fungicidal activity, hence it has broad spectrum of activity. A study has showed its activity against viruses associated with oral cavity, which include cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus, influenza, parainfluenza, hepatitis B virus, amongst others. Also, it has good onset of action and shows prolonged antimicrobial efficacy. The biggest advantage is that it is already being used in mouthwashes and toothpaste. Therefore, it shows that even if a little quantity of it goes inside the human body, it shows very less toxic effects and has very less side effects.
The methodology. Chlorhexidine is a positively charged molecule which attaches to the negatively charged cellular cell wall, thus causing its loss of integrity. Later, it also penetrates inside the cell, thus causing the leakage of various cellular components outside the cell, thus acting as bactericidal or virucidal in nature. The proposed formulation for our sanitizer contains chlorhexidine gluconate in 4%, benzalkonium chloride in 2%, cetrimide as 2%, span 20 to 280 ratio is 2:8, lemongrass oil as 5%, tulsi extract as 2%, propylene glycol at 20%, and glycerin in quantity sufficient.
We are making a sanitizer without alcohol and without water, which will prevent microbial contamination. Also, the ingredients used are very unique, such as lemon extract oil, tulsi extract, which are not only cost effective but will also prevent any irritation or itching caused to the skin. This formulation fulfills the need of a unique combination of cleaning agent and disinfectant.
Deliverables and beneficiary sector of society. Our product will be delivered to healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, pharmacists. It is useful for all potential users of mobile phones in workplaces as well as homes. Nosocomial infections that pass from mobile devices to hands can be minimized, thus diminishing the chances of transmission of microbes including coronavirus. Our guide and mentor for this project are Dr. Mitali Budhankar ma'am and Principal GNCP Dr. A.M. Ittadwar sir respectively.
Namaste, I am Mitali Budhankar from Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. I am working as associate professor and working as a chairperson of entrepreneurship development cell. We are interested in startups and incubation center. Our students are also very enthusiastic and interested in the startups. We have worked on the project of utilization of sanitizer for the mobile phones without using alcohol and water. Thank you.
Hello, to whom it relates. I am Abhay Madhav Ittadwar, Principal of Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. We have constituted entrepreneurship cell in 2014 at our college. Our students are interested in startup programs and incubator centers. Thank you.